All right, this is room 316 at the Sonesta Ocean Point. And like all of the rooms, they open with a key right on your wrist here. There we go. Let's take a look. So this is just a ocean view, just like a standard room. I think it's an ocean view king is what it is. So you got a king bed. You got about a 55-inch TV. Really not much on it. One of the cool things is that they give you these bottles of liquor. Now, I don't really recognize that brand name, concierge. I tasted that whiskey. It was horrible. I also tasted the gin. That was okay. We did not open the spiced rum. And of course, we know what Smirnoff tastes like. You also get a Nespresso machine. And they've been really cool. They've given us just a ton of pods. Like, we're just overloaded with them, which is great. We've been to a lot of places where you run out, so no complaints here about that. Now the fridge that comes with the complimentary beverages, and inside you're gonna have a bunch of waters, some sodas. There's a Coors Light right here. Now, we did have about 5 Carib beers, and we took them to the beach today, so that's why it's a little empty looking. But usually they do keep it pretty well stocked. So that's the outside view. We're going to get to that in a minute. Let's take a look at the bathroom and the closet area. Your closet has plenty of space. What's weird about this room is they're a little bit off the tracks, so we're having trouble opening it. I can't really open it, but you get robes. Yeah, I mean, that's brutal. But you do get a lot of closet space. We're able to put all of our stuff in there. And on this side, you have your basic safe. And you have plenty of drawer space. So storage is not a problem here. The bathroom is also nice. Get a cool looking sink. They gave you these amenities like a body wash. Oops. I spilled some. I'm not sure what the brand is. Molten Brown. Anyway, we've been using that. That's cool. The shower is pretty neat. One thing that's kind of weird about the shower, it does have one of those rainfall heads, but the glass stops right here. So what we've noticed is when you're in the shower, you kind of flood that part of your floor, which is kind of weird. But so be careful about that. We just put a few towels down there. But the bathroom's nice. Now to the outside. And I believe every room at the Ocean Point, you have a view of Maho Beach. And we do too, which is cool. So all day we sit out here and just watch airplanes land. And it's nice. Overall, the room is great. We're fans of the property.
It's a big balcony too.
Yeah,
don't you
yeah.
think?
The balcony's a good size. They didn't even show that. Got a chair there,
Big.
table. Homegirl sitting on a chair there.
It's a big balcony.
Yeah.
Big balcony.
It's a great place.